Good night. My name is Sirley Helves. I am 29 years old. I live in the city of Bucaramanga. I study environment engineering. Description: Children's Park, Bucaramanga. The park has many trees, has playgrounds, has pedestrian park for walking, running, jogging, or cycling. The park also has two soccer fields, a basketball court, and tennis court. With the public library at the front and Our Lady of Fatima Pirates, it is an excellent family meeting point. In conclusion, it is a very nice park where you can exercise, enjoy with your family, and enjoy its various attractions. To this place, you can also bring your pet. Thank you.